entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Top G TV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence, a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program, we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living, and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Top G TV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence, a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program, we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living, and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Top G TV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence, a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program, we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living, and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Top G TV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence, a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program, we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living, and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Top G TV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or
hello lovely people, I welcome you to Top G TV and to another exciting episode of Chatty Girls. We are live on Facebook and YouTube. Kindly like the page, share the link and send your comments. Kindly send your comments, share to over 200 people. Let them know that we are live on Top G TV. So Chatty Girls, we are just powered and sponsored by Top G Multimedia, and if you want branding and advertising, any kind of product you want to advertise, we are here right at your doorstep. We are at the Odoko Official Town Junction off the Kwashiman Road. And if you want to get right to us, our numbers are running down the screens. Just pick any of the numbers there and you will get right to us. So if you just joined, this is Chatty Girls, and today's topic is who is more smart in cheating in relationship. Is it you or me, or maybe my guest here in the studios? I don't know which of them is more smart when when they are cheating. So I don't know if they are cheating or not. That one day I'll ask them myself. So ask yourself this question: are you smart in cheating, or are you cheating or not? So I'll go ahead and then ask them. But before that, I'll go for a quick break. I'll be right back.
Be part of it. You can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty Girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve, and in essence, a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program, we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living, and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Top GTV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty Girls, let's get interactive. Over the
Alright, so if you just joined, okay, so let me welcome you once again to Top GTV and to Chatty Girls, the most talked program at the moment. So if you just joined, kindly like the page, share the link, and then send me your comments. I'm just getting Kwesi Jr. saying that no one is smart. I don't know why I say no one is smart, but then I would need your answers anyway. So my guests are right here in the studios. I won't want to waste time, and let me introduce my lovely Perpetual right here beside me, and also Napoleon also right here. So I welcome you all to the studio. This is Chatty Girls.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, great. Napoleon, how are you doing?
I'm also good. You are not bad yourself.
Right, so I think we have to go straight to the topic and then ask ourselves who is more smart when in cheating in relationships. Who is more smart? Is it the guys or the ladies?
I think it's the ladies.
The ladies. Why the ladies? Why the ladies?
The reason why I'm saying is the ladies, if it comes to relationship, if you talk about relationship, they can really deceive. Yeah. Let me go into Cherokee. I'm taking
Go. Okay.
Oba ebetimi ene bema ada whilst she's dating. Obetimi ne bema akwakoda. The same thing obetimi ne guy asayada. But bema en echitia se oko ye bidu abontia, he will be weak. So Bafia, no matter what you do to him, come wrong, very sure. But ladies are very smart. I don't know, you're probably catch your son here. She will be there, you'll be there with a lady, you'll be on your phone, she's chatting with another guy. But obeying in such a way that you will never know. But if it is the guys, with me like this, I will know. Yes.
How would you know that?
He's my guy, and I know how he is. So if I see changes, I will know.
Napoleon, do you agree with her?
You know, when it comes to the word cheating, today I was doing something. When I was at home, I was checking for the word to cheat. To cheat is in my dictionary. My dictionary told me that when you are cheating, it means you are being unfaithful to someone.
Okay.
And when it comes to cheating, when we say who is smarter here, when it comes to cheating, I'll give you a reason or two reasons why the guys are smarter. Because her side of explaining cheating was only when you go out and sleep with someone. It is not only when you sleep with someone that you have cheated. Cheating in your woman levels. You understand? My main phone fee, let me take you from the down to the top. The very first day that you find out that your partner, that is the lady or the woman, the very first day, it's like you will be acting some way towards your guy when you start cheating. But cheating no level na me make no me faith from them their cosro. First one che say you will be there with a lady, you be oh everything is normal, we are there. Then all of a sudden you see that the lady has developed this habit of putting password on her phone. We share now catch and say I love you. Wouldn't intend say I love you now catch you know. It is the two of you. I love you no moko of you. And I said the very first day she paid you a visit. No password and none phone. So. You understand? But another time, everything, the vibe is cool, everything is we find the phone password that's all.
Isn't there privacy?
I understand that it's a privacy. But when it comes to relationship, don't you think that you shouldn't be hiding some things from your guy?
I want to talk. I can date you. I can decide to hide something, and I say, make me say me cheating also. If I password into my phone, so. But you never know anything. So what are you trying to say?
What was that? Anytime I see cheating, you're level so. My side, I don't want to explain. I'm explaining my understanding of cheating.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Okay.
It is not only when you sleep with someone who will cheat you.
If you talk about cheating,
someone can.
If you talk about cheating, me let me share. Fine, what pay me? My catch say no, and I say my can't trust me. Boy, my penis so say Mr. Me pay.
I want to grant my pay on our penis on the I want to cheat first.
What is it?
Me pay on our penis on a.
But who can be say? Who can be say? Happy to start developing between you and your guy? No. Let me cheat. I me guy, but me need the person in a correct way. Me money who some cheating. What of that one too?
Let me make a scenario here. There was a video I watched there, and this guy was cheating on the woman. Like, she sent another woman to a hotel. The hotel, no, they went to the hotel room. They were sitting on the bed and they were having this conversation. And so, I'm doing command. Now, down for Bakuba, Bema. My friend say, many we were hotel room. Your hotel room, na madam for Bema, as I'm room. So my madam for Bema catch him say, Charlie, your baby fine. Madam for Bema so only my wife and Kasau. So we were there, and the actual woman, that is the wife, the real madam, came into the hotel, shouting that someone told her that the husband is in the hotel with another lady. Giddy. I want to the guy who na for guy and Okacha said, Masa, won't you talk? Then the other guy stepped in and told the friend's wife that the girl that is in the hotel with the friend is the girlfriend who see this thing. That thing isn't all called smartness.
So who was so smart to go and give that information?
Well, what was that? Listen, then me yira bechi me. Say me about hotel room. Na madam for them so room. Madam for them in the kind room as I'm really bow. Into all banana me boom madam for na me catch and say on your word. Into me boom the room and catch and tell but on developed that creativity and told my wife that the girl that I was in there with, that is my girlfriend, is his girlfriend. So then the problem is solved. Listen, smartness, the problem is solved. But in this case, we the guys, listen, when we go out and we propose to another lady and we start going out with that lady, we have so many ways that we can choose to hide it from the women we are staying with. There are so many ways that we can choose to hide it. But you yourself, you were talking about when the guy goes out and has sex with another lady. Or Befi, I don't know there. No, listen, when it comes to sex, yeah, I am more than cool. That one is true. Yeah, I am more than cool. But I'm telling you, me like this, when I go out and I have sex with another lady, me Befi, pe must out there no crap there. Me bought 3 rounds solid. Listen, it depends. It depends on the strength of the guy. You will never know. Me, I will never let you know. You will never know. And if I decide to hide it from you, I must play my cards well to the extent that you will never catch me. They say they are renting apartment, I'm more barn like the other lady, who is not my actual girlfriend, be a side chick. Then I will come there, I will come and see you and everything. Unless maybe some rumors will be going around and say, oh Charlie, this and this and this and that. When it comes to the two of us, this side, say Charlie, your lady is cheating. When it comes to my side too, someone can come and concern to you that your guy is cheating. You understand? But cheating doesn't only apply, it doesn't come, we don't call it, like it doesn't come in only when you sleep with someone. Cheating in there, Charlie. But me, I'll say that hey, we will be smart past the ladies. but the reason why I'm saying that we are smarter than the ladies, I know what I've seen. Yeah, that's why I'm saying that.
My dear, what my brother is saying,
Besides, I didn't want to also let me drink because
no, me can't say. I'm not saying that me or Barney to know. I have to just defend myself.
But you know that we have some men who can play their cards very well. I bet you know what's 8 years, 10 years, who that?
Oh, Babette mini what's na my dear, or Babette mini what's na, ya dampa back say baby beer. I'll get pregnant, but when Mim say you'll be for bad. What of that one too?
Oh, that's a Mim say you'll be for fra. Once the time I say no crash for 1,000 years.
Oh my dear, Obe crowd, we not me ban we no. It's not because ladies are very smart. You can never hide it.
Do you understand the word smartness?
Yes.
When it comes to when you have to be smart. Do you understand the word smart?
Yes, you have to read quick. Like I was saying, yes, smart.
So obi ana dwin ye dwuma ntem no onya smart.
Na is smart because you have to think. Or say I didn't better what na wa dwin. You also when before
have you seen that this topic is it's something like I like the way this thing is going. Because see you know
so my dear before I share be my say be my permanent. I was say me dream fast say guy we into so your pemia. How will I share daughters? How will I home? They can insult you. Say na me ready me way me ko ha. And I say what is Ben and me the Bema saga no be who say I'm not dating. I will be fine no because me person guy in the who say maybe me chantro and I say na obeshia me now was having someone else. It's no you can say
naturally. When I say naturally, I say you go pon a boy naturally. And manga so much use. Like check. I'm telling you. Naturally, the TD and manga sa omajun so to the extent say it is not all ladies that can hide things from the guys that they love. Share, let me tell you.
But it's not everything you are supposed to tell your guy too.
It is not every share obadu or bekani, you know. Share and remember, Yakupon boy in such a way say we are the head. So if you are the head, your head, the head na the man because you are the head. Your head should work fast. You understand? I said when it comes to this word called cheating, because I was talking to a friend yesterday, a female, and I asked the friend this question. I said, "Hi, tell me the guy beat now 6 years. Now one day I know Yari and then go to hospital. The doctor and catch and so baby. Now by the Udia Kawunu Seminar. Now if you're starting so catch a girl and say, oh no, cheating and debe. This guy had 3 girlfriends. Apart from the actual girl who was there. With me, I did that thing 6 years.
6 years of dating with no marriage.
Dating keke with no marriage. That one is a topic for another day. Another topic. So you can see that the guy played his cards very well. One man girl know, oh, he can go outside. This guy I'm talking about. I'm telling you that when it comes to that side, it depends on the strength of the guy. One person don't say BBC.
Now, Baby, me about who baby. Oh, my who da. I'm traveling. I'm going to my mommy's place. If I know I'm pregnant, I can go and give birth at. Meet me about who baby. How will you know?
Oh, listen. There are 2 cases here. You can travel to your mom's place. No, I'm saying listen. When you be baby, oh, fine. Mommy, please now. You told me that you're going. When you be baby, that one is fine. Waba. Maybe some months later you are pregnant. I say then I said there are 2 cases. Then I can just say that I know that me no one she for the past 2 months or for the past 3 months. And on a second thought, because I am staying with you or you are staying with me and I say you are my wife, I will accept it. You understand? I've given you the first one, the second one. The first one is maybe so that is where I'll ask for a DNA test.
No.
On the second, listen, on the second, the one that you want to see.
No. I'm trying to tell you that. Oh, say, Bema bit me up. Oh, baby. Like, Nipa on anything. Oh, said that. What did you say?
I wear different. I'm talking about. Like having sex with someone outside the marriage. You understand? Oh, Charlie, this thing, it depends on the strength of the guy. When you don't go be bar, when you are finished with that place, you come here and come and finish with this place too.
Your first one, now why you weak? Because me sex and me person if I'm your wife, me first now you're worried, now you're one yet to say 2 minutes. Over 1 hour 30 minutes. Now so who started to was the fan? 1 hour 30 minutes. Now who patch yourself the first like who bomb is up and any size out.
I want to ask this girl a question.
Go ahead.
The 1 hour 30 minutes and the 30 is she assuming or like
am I assuming like no, I'm asking you. No, I'm not assuming. I don't know your strength, my dear. I don't know your strength. But me can say many will worry, you know. Say 1 hour 30 minutes and I would demand me. For 4 bow bonting. Now one is an in panic that the same day now banner beggar or I beggar and say, oh, baby, mommy 1 hour 30 minutes. What do you mean, fair mommy? 1 mommy at 30 minutes. You want me to be cool with it?
Do you know that what she's saying, the duration of woman, me person me man or some a you
Mommy,
what say a normal human being? That's why I'm saying that was she assuming that time or what? But normal human being, them now 1 hour 30 minutes actually. When you finish, you can die.
No, it's
assuming. So that I won't go there. I wanted to know if it's an assumption or.
Well, I don't want to make 1 hour 30 minutes.
What to do? 1 hour 30 minutes is too much.
No,
you'll be killing the person.
Baby, I didn't when I am in tears. No, sex in here. I didn't say be man in one a year. Sex. That man can't have sex. And today you go to me 1 hour 30 minutes. We are 30 minutes. Oh, that is 30 minutes. Miss me Daniel, me that also 30 minutes. We are not going to 1 hour 30 minutes near Drew.
When it comes to when does is it when you are talking about sex? When you are having sex with your partner? Sex and a started time. Does it start the time that your partner is kissing you? Or?
It starts from romance, cuddling, cuddling, pano, kissing, no.
Cuddling and kissing is sex.
Yeah, no. I
It's a question.
You can't stand up and just have sex with your partner.
Okay.
Kissing, play romance, deeply romance with your partner.
This girl is talking is a topic for a different day. You understand? But listen, I want her to know that when it comes to the smartness, cheating, smartness in a woman, Charlie, remember nigga is smart. I'm telling you. The guys are very smart. The guys are very... No, I don't know what she wants to say, but me, I've said my own. Me, I don't know the other candy, me, the other soccer.
Here's the name of the song.
But
I can't show that. So the ladies are very smart in a ban in terms of cheating. They are very, very smart. Because Oba who name the Oba bit? Ogia for any obida. Why you obida home? Who do you see this film? No, my nice hole, you ma abo. You don't know. Ladies are very smart in cheating.
A fellow of mine told me that every man is a cheat. So women cheating your bomb and mema.
Who can say Emma Adjunsa? Mpacho me bara na ya commercial meba. Who can say Emma
Adjunsa?
No, money got be.
Who can say oh yeah mafia man. Mafia man
Oba Adjun and kasa Oba Adjun odo enti oka. Now sister Emma Adjunsa nyami create in such a way say
I am one person here.
Oh my dear.
I know it's a wound. There are some things you do, I know it's a wound. Now you go to your father's house.
Baby, today when I went out, I saw a certain guy. He said he loves me. Then.
Same applies to me, Bema.
Thank you. So, how will you know? Say, how will you know? So, I didn't pan number. How will you know? Say, as at now, who fit it? And my baby is good. My baby can't hide anything from me. How will you know? Say, well, what choose between you and that guy? Very soon, Obejao.
Okay, so on that note, I would pause here and go for a quick break. It's not that I can't talk, I just want them to defend themselves on the situation that is going on right here. So after the break, I'll start giving my own suggestions about the topic. So we'll be right back after.
Yes, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Talk GTV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty Girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Talk GTV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen. Chatty Girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of talks about ladies' empowerment, that is, giving them the voice they deserve and in essence a right of theirs back to them. This introduces me to a concept called Chatty Girls. On this program we are going to bring on board ladies who will come and talk more about relationship, healthy living and entrepreneurship. This program will be aired live on Talk GTV this and every Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. with me, your host, Abina Beggs. If you want to sponsor this program or be part of it, you can contact the numbers running down your screen.
Hello, welcome back from the break. Before the break, I wondered what was going on here because the whole smartness turned into sex. But then away from that, we are talking about who is smart. Is it the ladies or the guys? The guys here in the studios are defending the situation that they are much smarter than we, the ladies here. So ladies, please bring your comments on board so that I can also defend you here as the host. So Napoleon was defending that the guys are much smart, and then Peps is also saying the ladies are too smart than anything. They can do something and then you wouldn't see it. Me, I would. Okay, that's hers. Me, maybe I can't do anything of that sort. So please, I beg, don't come here. Don't come and put the hotspot on me, because I'm begging you, don't put the hotspot on me, because maybe dear, I can't do any of that. So dear, I'll go back to you guys. So yeah, you were defending the guys. Why are you really defending guys? Because the lady, she's also saying that the ladies can really do it better. So why don't you want to accept that?
Do you know that when it comes to the word wickedness in this world, I'm very serious here. It's like God created wickedness for the women. No, not the women, the ladies. Women, they be like wickedness, like wickedness. Oh, it is true that you can be smart when it comes to cheating, but when my cars will play wicked. The kind of cars he will display on his table, just say, and then Yama or Chinaye Akusia, Chinaye Mafia. See, like,
such a way, say one Kasaye man.
You will never know. I'll play my cards well. I'm very smart.
It's you, but not to other guys.
Not to other. Share.
Hey.
Although the same applies to. Although if a guy wants to be faithful, he has chosen to. What is the topic now we're raising? Whatever I was saying here, same applies to the ladies. If a guy wants to be faithful, but
there's something unique in us. That is why he came to take us. So why then do you have to cheat?
Why don't I have to cheat? There will be a reason for me to cheat.
What are
one? The only thing that will make me a guy to cheat. I'm touching you during the night and you're doing.
Usually, sometimes they'll tell you that you're testing too much and then entertaining guys. So why shouldn't we have male friends too?
Listen, having too much of, they said too much of everything is bad, but I know some ladies who can. They have male friends more than. Once a Obama reason say me kofa Oba Adamfo. Like a friend of mine told me that Okofa Oba Adamfo onsuya bibia enfin frisa Oba Adamfo because concern and those things, you know. But Ofa Bema Adamfo, the guy can learn from the opposite gender, and that girl too can learn from the guy. Okay, so that one male friend, and it's not enough for you to learn. I also offer too many friends, like they are males. That one male friend, and then there's our bestie things now. That one male friend is enough for you to learn. But another lady can, like, you see that, or per se, we met too many male friends. What at all are you learning? I open too many male friends.
Steady mates.
Steady mates. You want to defend the ladies by telling me that those things are called steady mates? Hey. But see, a man can decide to be faithful to the woman only when he's nice. Wonder when you call
Nice calls. Yeah.
what me ya call now what so that what down afraid so now them so down afraid so now you call. You don't know. But the moment that word cheating comes inside, maybe there will be a reason why the guy is cheating. And when the guy starts to cheat, let's say on no be forgetting. Oh, maybe my own that. Sure.
My dear, I want to polish something.
I can cheat. Listen, I can cheat. Maybe we are dating, we are not married. I can cheat. Me baby. But I can still get married to you. Cheating the money, I can still get married to you. Maybe my mind is maybe I'm comparing. I can still get married to you, and we'll stay in the same house. You'll be under my roof, but I'll be still cheating.
That thing is not called cheating. And you're wicked. Answer.
Now if it's a wickedness, no wickedness is a more man who.
Now you are trying to tell me, say, and remember you're more wicked than the ladies who.
Oh, Charlie.
Yes, because
when it comes to wicked, I can hide things. I can be smart and hide things.
You can be smart and hide things.
I'm telling you.
What to me worry me? At the same time, now we're cheat.
Listen, do you know that? Do you know that? You don't know.
Oh, there are ladies who can accept. Which we accept all the way you are.
Not all ladies.
Hey.
Obama and Pesca.
Me, Bonnie, the Banny sister.
Hey, my mom will get back to me. So rest in peace. Remember me, Pesca?
Oh.
Obama Pesca. Every woman.
You are lying.
There was a time a friend of mine said, "Oh, Charlie, this girl there, she told me that she's not into my life because of my okay, Obama, we have ladies.
But aren't you the same people saying that you look good? So you're not a wretched
I'm telling you. No, my mom's car. Every 2 weeks, one boat team wife. Hey, mommy.
No.
No.
What you are saying is no good though, because what to me in country me say what some bad mind no when it trim to the sense say what about the family for me mama and me papa and say what the family now was fair. When the country me say me ton ku shepe me ma oye shepe ma oye say obi beju. No, what are you
doing? No. You marry her and you put her under your roof. Her real color will come out.
I do not say, what about me say? Maybe only my roof, and that's papa asino. No, that's not my real color.
Oh no, you know that color is a color of the body and the mind. When him say the atmosphere can change your color.
I know.
Yeah.
Situations too can change your color.
You tell me, say, you marry your wife and tell your wife that you want her to wait till the atmosphere changes her color.
Oh no.
No,
the kind of smartness. Listen, the kind of smartness I'll be having, me as a guy, maybe smartness. No, and we have to change the the reason I'm saying that maybe smartness we have to change the say, yeah, no, Charlie. The word SMART, no, Yankopon boka yehu. He did.
Not the wicked in my
He did. Not the wicked in the man. Yeah, cheating smartness, no, we did.
Sure. When you say, remember your wicked.
That is why, listen. The only time when him say it is a poor man and I get a better is who cheating. I'm telling you, when you're a rich man, you get money. The money day, you play your cards well. How can you catch me? Now, me and Gasano, wait. Now, me say me waba or do me nice. When me say me scanning at the adi. Now me say I could cheat.
I didn't know, but yes, sir.
3 days, I bet you.
Why should you do that?
Now if I get money, me when me rent billion at the adi. No, but for now, I'm fun.
Then aren't you wicked? Aren't you wicked?
The wickedness will come when you have given me a reason to be wicked.
My brother is not being real here because Obisan is say, and then the man cheating. And also one. Say, or the son you remunas and the area.
Charlie, I'm not
you're trying to tell me.
I'll put you under my roof.
It's
it's not that it's Cavon.
No, you are being too.
I'm saying, sir, when it comes to cheating, when you say, I'm up and cheating, member. And I may catch you, say, Ghana and who needs count to be per mass out.
You don't because I know a friend. Maybe madam for be or sing. If you have money and you are not nice, on papa, who choose who cost perfect.
That's
oh
nice.
Yes.
Oh nice.
Let's say
on all bad
yes, I to say I want
to say something the ladies don't know.
And remember so remember Bema no one year fair. Oh yeah, na lim tata dey o so go for ban ho, be say the be check out. Mr. Man, I'm just talking. Me kasa.
Okay.
It's not to me one cover. Bema no more. For to me, Bema no one. For to me go for ban. Ne ho so nyefe. Na mo be wo den.
What was that?
I didn't hear actually kakra. I fake kakra. Mo di bo ho na ye we. I blend the bibia.
Me say me fans say Bema no for no niska. Wo ba no niska to respond Bema. Fine. You know that thing will end somewhere. Share Bema. Me can't some money me. You know supposed to watch my face very well. I'm telling you. Bema bet me a show ba for the rest of his life because my wife, you are my wife. Fine. Me person we a housewife. I have money. Can take care of you. Oba.
No, me and mama me your bana me I will need pad. I will need hair. Me hair quite 300 and something with me than me I'm being the housewife no.
Bema bet me I dey wey you know bet me no say scanning you now. He will never get fed up. There was another time here. My younger brother asked me, say, big bro, what's up? I said, what day? I said, into Yankopon by him, man, and say, young one, and spending 1 man or so. I then a martyr. I'm say, Massa, this is a topic for a different day. You see, I'm in Kobe. But I answered this question and say, the thing they naturally. They say you are the head of the family, so take care of your children and your wife. Or bad me or I'm telling you. Oba no wa o pure water pro beto pro we twen na be ma na ba fiance we be saying this case the top pure water
eno say wo wa fa oba no wa onim say na wo be ma no tito be play wicked oba no will be crumple now yes it's true that's your behavior
this is where the wickedness comes inside.
I want to say this be ma be wa wo home almost oba
the ladies don't want to understand that they are not smart.
Oh no,
they don't want to understand when it comes. What's that? On the better I say, a man cheating on your smart. Me too, so pack your things and go to your father's house. I'm telling you.
You two will go. You won't buy the numbers of my packet. I don't cheat and Miss May cheating.
You understand? You understand? But when you say, you will give me a reason for me to cheat. Bema putu I'm going to cheat.
Obada is no best sorry putu.
Hey,
because you guys don't know who you are.
You don't know.
Yes, he said, me me share o sesia, me ya kase ye dey.
Say no kasa obi won fa che okumu. Let me tell you.
Yes, I
you can fall for our warfare anytime.
I'm not saying me. Please, I'm not saying me. I'm not saying me. Me, I don't go in for warfare. I
but what do you go in for?
No. That one.
Discussion. We are discussing. I said. Use yourself as.
How would I use myself? I'm a media person. No, I can't use myself.
Listen, when I was talking about a man myself who start womanizing in Ghana. Shall listen. Our father doesn't pay bills. Rent and soon. If you're about who couldn't this month today. Oh, my sister.
No, one question is say, a man are you trying to tell me excuse me, so margin that one as we need that.
Now, the moment I offer ban warfare, what for ban warfare? What for this one? What for money? What can you to pay? We are not talking about marriage, but we will be a warrior. But my husband the husband is not working. But young still wanna pimp that one's what are you trying to say? No woman would like to stay with a person who is in poverty. Listen. The only problem the woman have is a guy who enjoys staying in poverty.
Oh, my dear.
Try to remember you will enjoy staying in his poverty. Or move from his comfort zone. That place called the comfort zone to
another place go and hustle. I don't know them or you're quite before or you're lazy. But me says I'm worry. Now say you're dating one chair, me send our character. Tonight me worry now me who say me push you, I won't push. I will leave you.
If you don't have money, they will cheat on you, Massa. And when they cheat you, they are not smart. Listen, when they cheat too, they are my cheat here, challenge. I can see it from your eyes.
Oh my dear.
Just watch under your eyes.
My dear.
How do you do that?
How do I do that?
Or you don't want to tell us? Like tell my viewers. How do you do that?
Obega said this one is the topic for another day.
Well, you are not. The ladies are not smart.
We are smart.
They should understand.
Share. What do you mean your body better?
What was it? Otia discussion. What was it? Otia debate. You know, away. I was also ultimately say. A man we are smarter than you.
Me I tell say because ladies no one they can omit me after mema bear 3 whilst she's dating you. Bet me after mema bear 3. Meaning say guy when him say I'm not dating. Guy when him say maybe they will know say I'm dating. Me I will let them be aware say I'm dating. Say if I'm with my guy, they won't call me.
You know responsible by.
Oh my dear.
Bema wa dream down. Oba o dating won go fa.
Won go fa ben. Share.
Bema wa dream down.
It's because you're a guy. It's not okay. Me sure. Bema be our catch say please. I'm the catch say. If someone worry me, enti would you rate me? No guy na yen share. Maybe cry na wa mama worry.
I want to scare kasa.
Scare na kasa. Me wo bema ne na wo na yen foot so.
Sabe manage no.
Oh, bravo.
I'm telling you. If you don't have money and you want to cheat, oh my brother, small time, you will just your life will end. Short one. But listen, here lies the case. Me Berman, I can play my cards very well. Listen. What is that? I didn't cheat.
Yes.
You are my wife. I've married you.
Your girlfriend, rather.
Okay, they say relationship. You're my girlfriend. We did. Some people do stay with their girlfriends. Okay, let's say that we are staying together. The only thing that can make me cheat is every day I'm tired. Charlie, you're
straight to the point.
What I say? Then you're telling me you are tired. Don't be telling me those things. Don't be telling me that. Once there are some things, sir, you shouldn't make the guy beg for it.
Okay, what's so cool? You want to Obama is so cool. You want to me say I'm a media person. No, your son is also a policeman. Let me put it that way. Also a policeman. What could you me say me point 10 p.m. 10 to 11. Oh, ban 10. Aren't you? It won't see us say when your wife is a bread because you don't want a daddy off day. A woman. Some of them now make sure say I'll make you happy. Me, I am one person here. Me, I can't pay.
Service me.
And never said, oh, when your wife, when your mama, because when you me husband and I'm a guy FM and I'm a machine because Urban he's coming to disturb me with something that I don't like.
I don't say I don't cry on pass me to cry you understand?
My dear.
I like the way I'm nice, just smiling. What I say? My bummy cat never won my buffy. Because hey, Bema build cheat bia. No matter say on them yere kura usiyoba for so adwe ne yere ofi. Me ba ga
that one there for sure. That one there for sure. And oba so go cheat na say ne husband friend and na say ne boyfriend be yem be shino. Yeah. I don't know I can't tell me.
I don't need time oba no so do Bema na. So do Bema na ne yem be shino. E ma go ha forget ye ndwe humpo. Now, that mental me sit down and won niska. Want me? I say won niska.
Share my dear.
There's a way a wife can talk to a husband who is rich, and there's a way a wife can talk to a husband who is poor.
Hey, who will be that?
Share me tell you.
No, who will say
niska?
Me even buno.
Oh.
Brother. Because of something. Maybe say, I'm at hospital and say, Bema, maybe go to me. And I Bema so, or don't you really didn't clan us or hospital and you're reading to me. No, as a thought,
majority doesn't happen. Majority doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen.
You can't
50-50. You want to say it, just divide it into two.
I have 20. I'm telling you, it doesn't happen. Oh, let go of flow. What's that? Sikano woman, a level say any day in the flow. Maybe a woman 10 Ghana. It's a woman 10 Ghana. Let's say your flow phones, your phone, your flow, your flow coffee papa. You understand? Those things are what's that? You can just woman bought here.
My dear.
Them and they are now what they make to me or they more. Now what is our money? Charlie, what bonnet to papa one team. Now when you say one team, problem, your Bobby service me collect. When you correct to collect. Oh, forget it.
Share, my dear.
Levels.
What my brother is saying.
Levels. Levels because.
Or say she disagrees with you, so let her defend her statement. You understand?
Because Obeshia Oba, like let's say Oba HT Obemaso. The reason why it's here Oba ni HT ewo because me say so why me na me dowa. One particular thing I obey bema me fa wechi. So we you feel I don't know how to say I don't want. So you fear me make me HT also because I just maka won say maka mama do wo yin issue awon sister Jai. Are you yet now because
yes Ghana.
Sha obe to drama no. Bema obe oba be don ni kunu ni ho bon ni ampit bon bounce me kan hwe ni kunu. Obeto sure obeto bibia e de ba ni kunu wa ya need to say my wife ni responsibility esako obeto. Na wo bon no so wo bon. It will be every week dia na me nto ma. Mato ba ko ti asa o sa wo so wo nto. No. And can't tell me fucking. Then I'll be how I want yet. Mimi Tinamo. I will start cheating on you. Mimi cheating us and me call the American. I will stay there. What do you want me to do?
What do you say? How can you know? Like, be intense you.
Better than anything.
As I met one, I'm a homeowner. Share. Wouldn't himself home.
Brother.
Oh, no. I want to say it true.
As you accept to say it true. Everything I'm saying, I'm using myself as an example.
No, but I will pay.
Majority. She has to understand.
See,
majority.
Waiting. And only ye, won't nim pan, so won't nim pan it there and they're fine. Or ye didn't cha. It Obe says small be air back, and I said, oh, yeah, Juma Charlie, I'm pit for. And then you're different.
And I say, female more cheating. Do you know, say, some women. Do you know, say some women, majority of some women can change men. Now, I want to meet you, you are my wife. Okay, fine. You have to say, maintain some home. What do you have to do? I'm not saying it's your responsibility. You are my wife. Now, maintain some. When I'm hearing you, what do you have to do? You have not told me how to touch you on your daddy. Now, listen. Listen.
It's a bad behavior. It's a bad habit, say. O guy who born or catch and so who born. You say actions and actions speaks louder.
So will you go straight to the point and tell say Papa who born?
No, can't train.
Charlie.
You have to do something. Or something not be mano.
Sisi ya nyamfa say say o kunu. Onye o guy bi mu. Okay, nyamfa say o guy.
Maybe to me can't train.
One and that's not 2 years. Maybe to me can't
train say baby you are smelling. Oh, why it doesn't show respect.
Hey.
Me can't tell me husband say, baby you are smelling. So I want you to buy no.
There are some things when it's going on and you don't tell me.
Baby, I bought you this phone. I want you. What's the okay phone enye? Me can't just send to phone enye papa uhu. Oh baby, I bought you this phone because me name say we na ya won tan hu eni because of sin na ye. We have me in such a way so only be my back kasa. Let me talk you now because me will show back on who use on any mount. It's what they use the way stress away by ya. It is a way you soon as a while. Oh, baby, how do you like what's medicine? And say it's okay, only a finance me person use this particular show.
There was
but your mom won't divert the topic.
She's saying that if you meet me, I'm gonna cheat.
Yes.
There was a girl who asked the guy.
Yes, it's not a topic.
Yeah, sure.
There was a girl who asked the guy. There was a girl who asked the guy. Not dying on a home or sitting down. This thing is not a joke. By the end of the day, this thing, as some of my come, and I'm wondering. Who asked the guy? Say, sure, Ben will use you. You understand? And this guy told the girl that, oh, they sure no use you. I found 3 cats. Then the girl told the guy that, me sure a cat in about You understand? And after that, and the girl said that, what is a scent to be going on, but she's not impressed about the scent now or going on. Oda or woman in Tino, on Pesa man for Becasa Casa. Tio, or Banana Samana make canoe. Oda or woman in Tino. On Pesa, a man for Becasa Casa. Into only Osrena, Dia oba baby no. Or yeah, and the aboa no guy. The guy sat down. She again no say woody. Wo baby be the aboa me. Me hwene no nye. Wona wo hwene ya wate dia ekoso. Enti wo hunya sakwan so obefa ne guy na tenase. Na waka che ne say ni. Hwe no guy will get offended. Listen. If he really loves you, now what kind of means Charlie?
Then I know that is a wood dinner thing.
What can you in this year?
What can you say? And then I'm a so I didn't know.
You will be very straight to the point and catch yourself. Massa, now let's one catch himself. No, two of them.
Now there's also winning it. No, you say winning it. My dad didn't tell the two of you.
Young fan say, oh, say, oh, there are okay. Young fan say, Beman and Hobo on tea. 1 hour, you know, Ben, what? You won't be in the Beman Casa.
I bet yes.
You don't just go straight to the point. Say, no, and I say, won't make you up mind because.
So my friends outside, and man, Mr. Ramo, and my mom can't show more guys there, and I said, my sister be big up crazy body or the crazy or amputated. So I just want to, no, me, I would advise you to rather buy the thing for him. What the man already a gay. I don't know what else you are, mommy.
I don't know what else you are.
Yes, or but also be Sammy. Or maybe some member different way.
Or be maybe so.
No, I got to say, okay, me, I think said the show you are using, no, and Joe.
Sure.
What's me to mouth?
What
so let's try this one and see.
That's what is not good for me.
I said, me not me I said, oh, young quine. And I said, oh, me, I'm going to say, when I see you, I just will be a witch. It's a matter of one more say,
what? Okay. What Casace? Oh, and comments on a neighbor. My 30 minutes. And these are my friend who be from over. Her comments is just coming neighbor. So I have to read some of them. Andy Beck is saying the guy doesn't know what he's saying. I don't know what he's saying. So and then it's just coming. Marco says nothing satisfies them. That is, he's talking about the ladies and says women be irate. And he's also saying that girls are very smart in cheating. Okay, so he also said that girls are good pretenders in terms of cheating. Andy Beck is saying, but the guy doesn't even know what he's saying. What was he saying? So, okay, he also said that most men don't want their wives to find out their weakness and use it against them. They cheat because they want to avoid being helpless and when their wives take advantage of their weakness. He also says that being overconfident of a relationship can lead to cheating too. Okay, she Junior says it's not smartness, it's wickedness. He also says now Napo will be head, the head for head, else you fail to be the head. Okay, he also says I'll read that one. Alright, so I'll skip what he says. He said you ladies only think you are okay, but forget it. Okay, so okay. So Abna Pai says, no, I don't agree with the guy. She also says that how can you go straight to the point to tell your guy he smells?
Wow, why?
She also says it's difficult. Okay, it's difficult. All right. So thank you very much for sending your comments here on Facebook. Keep sending them. So since they don't want to accept the fact that ladies and guys are, I don't know what you also want to say. So no.
Oh no, why are you laughing? You are calling my name and you are laughing. Listen, I just want them to know that any true women be irate, but we are irate. Well, we are smart.
Okay.
We are very smart. Now the word smartness, what they call about about the wickedness. We are smart and they are wicked, period. They are porn.
Well, we are wrapping up for this episode.
Me, the American said ladies are smart and guys are wicked. it's true. Ladies are smart. Because Bema or Bassen and one phone on the room. Or Bema, me, yes, I me dating up. No, me can't send me one phone one. Obey Bibi, I mean, what bet me at the Yania Bremy. So, dear, I feel to buy you food or I feel to buy you this pizza. How will you know? What about no fees so maybe like young fan say yeah, we are not enemies. But no, a version is so I didn't know maybe me my boy now which it to me, so I say my final house which it to me so no. Me kwa I winning me jai. About poison my way. So guys are wicked. Ladies are smart.
Guys are wicked. Ladies are smart. Napoleon wants to defend the state, but maybe for man. Yeah.
I didn't tell for me.
Okay, what the end? What the full stop?
You see the word poison. Emma, how many times? What is the Bema be poison about? I can go and cheat.
Okay, fine.
I can go and cheat. You catch me. What's your man? My Beffy, why you doing it? I was saying true. Because cheating action.
About Dobema won't on your bonnet down. About Dobema, the embassy. But Bema, and when you trim more pants, I'll pull. Messieurs, your wife saying, no, come out to action because of my first. Next time you want. But I just say, oh, come to Chicago. I just said, next time we'll come back.
It is a reason. It is a reason.
So to me, guys are wicked, ladies are smart. I have to understand.
Okay, let me make this statement before
understand her.
There was a guy of Fauba, no RDHS or Shana Manu University. After university, no was say, Guyano, a worry girl, or this guy Shawa hide them or one mammy, or hide any 10 years at the mom, Mutin, or Mosca Dibia, no a taxi driver, Mosca, or show SHS Nibia. At the long run, you told the guy, say, guy in your class, because we will be able to catch a guy.
But when
and listen, and a guy on no cocoon, is it wickedness or what? When your wickedness,
wickedness, my dear, and
when
you think about Mendy won't. Ah, no, what are you trying to tell me? Me, you will think about Mendy won't.
Money is so hard to come by. My own say,
that will be a topic for another time. Alright, so wrap up here. On today's episode of Chatty Girl, they don't want me to close, so I'll close them myself. So we'll wrap up here today. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you same time next week, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you so much for coming. We'll bring you back on board so I can talk more about this situation, because I can see that they are not done with it yet. So thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you same time next week, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. just as Chatty Girls. I'll see you. Bye.
Chatty Girls, let's get interactive. Over the years, there has been a lot of